Ryan Gass here, PTPGun.com, firearms training, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of our new body armor that we received from AR500 just last week. So go ahead and get in the box. All right, so what I decided to go with was the Testudo Lite plate carrier. This has it comes with the cummerbund that also holds the side sappies that we ordered, as well as it has an adjustable shoulder pads as well. With this, it also has the Malice weapon built in, so I can attach my various mag pouches and whatnot. When I bought my package, I got a double magazine pouch for my AR-15. I got 2 single pouches. And I also got 2 single pistol magazine pouches as well for my Glock 17s. Also with the package that we ordered, I made sure to get the Malice Clips by Tactical Tailor, and these are for attaching the various magazine pouches that we ordered, amongst other things. And these will be attached through the Malice webbing of the pouches and the vest itself, the plate carrier. It'll be able to hold those on there very securely. And we'll show you how those install here shortly when we set up our plate carrier. So for the armor we decided to go with inside this plate carrier is the level 3 plus lightweight. These are the multi-curved plates. These are the side plates and these are the front and rear plates. All right, so let me go ahead and read all the protection that these provide because I don't want to mess up the details. So the protection that these provide is multi-hit protection against calibers of 5.56 by 45, the M193s, also the M855s up at 300 feet per second. The 7.62 by 3.9, which is shot commonly out of AK-47s, even up to 308 ball rounds at 2850 feet per second. These are not obviously going to be rated, and they're not going to be able to provide protection from armor-piercing rounds. So obviously you're going to keep that in mind, but that's not going to be a common threat you're going to have to deal with anyway. But again, these are the side plates, and these are the front and rear plates. All right. So in a moment, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to go ahead and install those into your plate carrier. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install the rear plate. All right. What you wanna do is you're gonna have to open up this Velcro on the bottom, and inside it is straps that hold it up at a certain height too, which is adjustable, and get those opened up. You're gonna insert this in. The curved side, the inside of the curve, is gonna be towards the inside. So the outer curve is gonna be towards the outside. So make sure you put it in correctly. Otherwise, it obviously won't be as, it won't provide the same protection, and it will be extremely uncomfortable. So we have it up in there. Putting these straps back in. Make sure you have a nice tight fit for those straps so it's not bouncing around inside of there. Flip it over, do the same thing on the front. Again, curved side in. All right, now go ahead and install the side plates. Gotta pull this Velcro out that's tucked in there for these extra tall plates so they can actually reach down, grab, hold. Good. And again, curved side in. We'll bring this back in for right now, and we'll get ready to install the magazine pouches onto the Malice weapon. All right, so what you don't see is when this is weaving through and it comes back down, it's going to feed into here, and it's going to click into place, and it will not come out. In order to get it to come back out, you just pull this tab here, use this little tool, pull this tab, and then you can have the, once you get that tab out of the way, it'll free the mouse clip to be able to get out. All right, so that's how it's going to attach back in. It's going to hold on there really well. All right, so again, I'll show you the second one. Same thing. I'm going to weave back through the bottom here, through the Malice weapon on the plate carrier itself, back through the next level on the magazine pouch. pull that through. All right, now I'm gonna come back down through the back side. All right. All right, and it's back in there. All right, so we have our 2 magazine pouches, and as I'm wearing this will be on my left side. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put my magazine pouches for my rifle on my front. Same thing, using those same, but these are a little bit longer, the same type of Malice clip system. All right, so I'm gonna go and undo that. I'm gonna take my dub one. This is something I'll say I can adjust later as I need to. But I'm gonna set my double right here in the front, and I'm gonna put my singles on the side over here. So again, weaving through the entire way. I'm gonna put it on the outside ones, not on the inside ones, and not interchange. I'm gonna put it on this one and this one right here. I'm gonna weave it through this one, and it'll be in that one right there, so it's centered. It's nice to have this little tool here to help me weave this through, because I don't have small hands or fingers to be able to pull them through, so this makes it a lot easier for me. And you'll see there, it's going to click back through. And again, to be able to get this undone later if I need to adjust it, I can just pull that tab out. All right, so I've got the plate carrier on. It definitely is, I'm not used to wearing this much weight. It's been several years since I wore a plate carrier at all, or flak jacket. But I'll have to mess with little things here and there. I might have to adjust the straps a little bit. I'm probably gonna bring this up a little bit. In getting more use and stuff on the range with my magazine pouches and stuff and do my reloads, I'll see that I have to move them again a little bit. But generally speaking, I think this will probably work for what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. It'll be both practical and protective. So I'll be also, getting used to, I'll be working and making sure I take opportunities to get used to the wearing this, getting used to the weight, making any adjustments. I'm going to use these on my morning walks that I do, and try to get back in shape and whatnot. So we'll see how that goes. But I'll definitely keep you all updated on the AR500 plate carrier. Again, it's the Testudo Lite, and I'm using the level 3 plus curved plates. Know that this general setup as is, this is about 23.5 pounds. It'll add more weight when I actually add my AR-15 magazines loaded in here, ready to go. I did go ahead and just for fitment and try to see how it is. I did go ahead and put my loaded Glock 17 magazines in here. All right, they're on my left side. I'm right-handed, so that's why I put them over there. For those that are wondering, whenever you have magazine pouches in general, especially for your pistol, you want to make sure you have them on the opposite side of your strong arm. Obviously, I can only fit but so much. I want to have the weight evenly distributed. So I do have the double pouch on the front, center, and then I also have my 2 singles on the right side, on my strong side. So again, I'll let y'all know how this goes, give y'all adjustments and my thoughts as we get more and more used to this and getting more use of it. Thank you all again. Remember to hit that subscribe button and remember to train to survive.